बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। कैफ हालुकुम अय्युहत तुल्लाब व तालिबात? How are you, my students? अहलन व सहला लिद्दर्स अल-जदीद। Welcome for new lesson. ad-darsul ashir, lesson 10. Fil bayti as-saniya, at home 2. You remember last time I told that fil bayti, there are two parts for this lesson, fil bayt 1 and fil bayt 2, at home second part. In previous part there was fa'lul mudari highlighted and some fa'lul mazi. Here also same, I will highlight each and every fa'l with forms. Here you can see in lesson, here you can see red color, blue color and green color highlighted. So wherever red color is highlighted, all are af'al, verbs, either fa'lul mazi or fa'lul mudari in different forms. And whichever is highlighted with green, so they are huruful jarra, preposition, and blue color adwatul istifham, means interrogative words for question. So shall we start now? Translation for this lesson. Ad-darsul ashir, lesson 10, fil bayt as-saniya, at home, part 2. You can see that mother and child sitting. Mother asking, Al-ummu, mother asked. You know that what is al? Al is article. Al. In English, used the. Al-ummu. The mother asked, Mata raja'ta min al-madrasati ya bunayya? When you came back from the school, O my son? Raja'ta. So here you can see Raja'ta, fa'lul mazi, wahid muzakkar hazir. Khalid replied, Raja'tu qabla rubu'i sa'a. I came back before quarter hour, means 15 minutes. I came back before 15 minutes, before quarter. Here also you can say Raja'tu, fa'lul mazi, wahid mutakallim. And you know that mutakallim is used for muzakkar also and muannas also. But here Ya bunayya is the sign that Raja'tu is used for muzakkar, masculine. Mata in blue color, interrogative, question word. When? Min and qabla, green color, highlighted. I have already in beginning told that in green color highlighted are huruful jarra, mean from and qabla, before. Al-ummu, aina akhuka Adil? Where is your brother Adil? Akhun, brother. Brother's name Adil. Whenever you use akh with pronouns, so as the vowel point, either you will use vaw with kha if in nominative, alif with kha if accusative, and ya if in genitive. For example, Ja'a akhuka, your brother came. Ra'aytu akhaka, like that. I saw your brother. Look here. Because akha is object, accusative case. That's why alif at the place of zabar. And marartu bi akhika, I passed from your brother. Your brother was standing, I passed from there. So look here, marartu bi, so preposition bi, huruf-e jarra, and after huruf-e jarra, where whichever noun is there is in genitive case. So akhuka Adil, where is your brother Adil? Amara jaha, he didn't came back. So means Adil and Khalid are brother. So Khalid came, Adil not came. Now here you can see rajata, rajatu and rajata. Raja'a. Raja is Fa'il Ma'zi, Wahid Muzakkar Ghaib. So Wahid Ghaib also is here, Hazir Mukhatab is also here, and Mutakallim form is also here. 3 is here. And all 14 already you are aware about it from class 6. I conjugate for you. Raja'a, Raja'a, Raja'u, Raja'at, Raja'ata, Raja'ana. These 6 are Ghaib, third person. Rajata, Raja'tuma, Raja'tum, Raja'ti, Raja'tuma, Raja'tumna. These 6 Mukhatab, second person, Muzakkar and Muannas. Raja'tu, Raja'na, both are Mutakallim. Raja'tu for masculine and feminine singular, and Raja'na for dual and plural for both. So what mother asked, Aina akhuka Adil, where is your brother Adil? Amara ja, he didn't come back. Khalid, la adri, I don't know. Ana maraitu, I didn't see him. मैंने उसको नहीं देखा, मुझे नहीं पता. So in English you say I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता, मने खबर नहीं, ऐसा बोलते. In Arabic what you will say for I don't know? La adri, I don't know. Adri, red color, means it is verb. Fa'ilul mudari, wahid mutakallim. And if in group you want to reply, we don't know. So what you will use? Already you are aware about it, that 4 letters of huruf-e mudari, ataina. So you will use nun, nadri, la nadri, we don't know. And we want to say for third person, he don't know. So you will use ya, la yadri, he don't know. And you want to say for second person that you don't know. So la tadri. Yes. Amara ra'aytu, I did not see him, I didn't see him. Ra'aytu fa'ilul ma'zi. Remember this, that red color highlighted are fa'il, af'al. So ra'aytu fa'ilul ma'zi wahid mutakallim. Here only ra'aytu. In the end there is who. This is what? This is pronoun. Which pronoun? Zamire muttasila, attached pronoun. So ra'aytu, I didn't see him. What do you say? Ma. Ma is here for negative, for not. Ma. La is also for negative. La is used almost with fa'ilul mudari, and ma is used almost with fa'ilul mazi. Sometimes happen opposite also, but I don't want to go in that explanation now. Arum, madha darasta al-yawm? Look, what you studied today? It's okay, you went to school. What you studied today? Madha darasta, what you studied today? Darasta. Now already you are aware from upside, rajata. Yes, like darasta. So darasta is also same. Fa'ilul maadi wahid mudhakkar hazir, or you can say mukhatab. Khalid replied, darastu mawad kathira. I studied many subjects. Mawad is a plural word of madda. And darastu as rajatu in second line. Already I explained that all red color are highlighted are what? Fa'lul Mazi. So darastu Fa'lul Mazi Wahid Mutakallim. Because mother is talking about Adil and Khalid. So darastu is used for Muzakkar Wahid Mutakallim. I studied many subjects. Darastu Lughat al-Arabiya wal Injliziyya. I studied Arabic language and English language. Fazlan anil ulum wa tarikh wa sharia, and more science, history and laws. Al-ulmu madha qara'ta al-yawm. What do you read today? First what mother asked, how many subjects and what you studied. Now mother is asking what you read today. Khalid replied, Qara'tu al-yawm qissatan jadidatan anil hayawanatil madhkurati fil Quran. Khalid replied, I read new stories today about those animals are mentioned in the Holy Quran. I studied today new story about the animals mentioned in the Holy Quran. So Qara'ta, again Fa'lul Madhi Wahid Mudhakkar Mukhatab, and Qara'tu Wahid Mutakallim. So three type of verb scale: Fa'lul Mazi Mukhatab, Fa'lul Mazi Mutakallim, Fa'lul Mazi Ghaib. So Raja I conjugate, Ra'aytu, Ra'a, Ra'aya, Ra'aw. These are Ghaib. And Darasta, Darasa, Darasa, Darasu, Darasat, Darasata, Darasna. Darasta Wahid Mudhakkar Mukhatab. Darastuma, Darastum. Darasti, Darastuma, Darastunna. Darastu, Darasna. So here Darastu is mentioned. Now down Qara'ta. So Qara'a, Qara'a, Qara'u. Qara'at, Qara'ata, Qara'na. Qara'ta, Qara'atuma, Qara'atum. Qara'ati, Qara'atuma, Qara'atunna. Qara'atu, look here, Qara'atu. And Qara'na. So you read this lesson, and inshallah we'll continue this chapter in 2-3 videos because this chapter is lengthy. So this is only one page, and here 3 forms are there: Raja, 3 verb, Darasa and Qara. So you read lesson, translate it with yourself clearly and listen it, and this all 3 you write in your book. Raja all 14 forms, Darasa 14 forms, and Qara'a 14 forms. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.